Building and managing your labor budget is one of the most complicated processes you're responsible for. It requires collaboration and alignment between departments, precise reporting on exactly how your budget is being allocated, and you need to be confident that the decisions you're making are informed and data-driven. Introducing Planara, powered by Axiom. Planara is the integrated labor planning and analytics solution that is built for operations. Planara is the perfect solution for improving alignment between finance and operations as you accelerate your labor budgeting processes. With Planara, both finance and ops can see how and why labor budget is being generated. For finance, this means assessing labor in terms of top-down metrics, like sales per labor hour, rate of sales, and labor budgets in local or global currencies. Meanwhile, operations can be confident that labor is being generated the right way, using labor standards, demand drivers, location characteristics, and other key business rules, providing your locations with the right amount of labor. The result? A labor budget that both finance and operations can understand, defend, and have confidence in achieving. But building your budget is only part of what makes Planara so powerful. Planara also gives you powerful reporting and analytics tools, giving you the ability to adapt to shifting performance metrics and achieve your operational goals. Planara gives you unparalleled visibility into how labor is being allocated through each fiscal period, between your locations, among roles and employee types, and across individual activities and tasks. Planara can also help you evaluate the labor impact of new initiatives or changes to your operating model. What if we opened 10 new locations? What if we increased wages by 5%? What if customer demand rose by 8%? These are just some of the what-if scenarios that Planara can help you evaluate. Best of all, Planara integrates seamlessly with both your WFM solution and your labor model, whether it's housed in Opus or any other labor model management solution. Planara creates one environment, a single source of truth for all your labor planning and analytics needs. Welcome to Planara, the solution for enabling alignment between finance and ops, while you accelerate your labor planning processes. To learn more about Planara, visit us online at axiomgroup.com/Planara today. Now more than ever, the work your associates are doing in your stores is evolving at breakneck speed, with new processes like greeting customers, maintaining health and safety standards, fulfilling and delivering omnichannel orders, and changing levels of general customer service. How are you tracking the impact of these changes on your labor model? It's time to meet Opus from the labor and productivity experts at Axiom Group. Opus is the most sophisticated and intuitive platform for managing the complexities of your retail, hospitality, or food service labor model. Opus is perfect for tracking the hundreds or thousands of labor standards that make up your labor model, whether they're based on MTM, MOST, or a time study-based method. Opus also helps you manage the location-to-location differences in your model, known as store profile data, that impact how much labor you need for certain tasks at each of your locations. Opus helps you keep all of this data up to date with its powerful profile management feature. This enables you to proactively make changes in the future, or just in time, and deploy those changes to all locations or just a select few, using various parameters like store size, location, format, or custom groupings for pilots or other initiatives. As you make these changes, you can plan ahead by effective dating the values you're setting. And with robust reporting and analytics, Opus lets you dynamically assess and plan your labor, whether through timely what-if scenarios, Pareto and configuration reporting to drive efficient maintenance of your model, or chain-wide analytics to support budgeting. Best of all, Opus does all of this while integrating with the leading workforce management solutions. This means that your labor model is not only accurate, up-to-date, and easy to manage, but it's easy to deploy as well. To learn more about Opus and how it can streamline the way you manage your organization's labor model, visit us online at axiomgroup.com/opus today.
For years, organizations have struggled to efficiently and accurately measure the in-store processes that keep their businesses running smoothly. How much time do your associates spend assisting customers? Do these interactions translate to higher conversion rates or larger basket sizes? How are things like customer interactions and break time affecting employee productivity? And what does the typical day in the life of an employee really look like? These are just a few of the questions you can answer when you use Studia, the mobile data collection app for creating and executing precise studies of your on-the-ground operations. Studia is a flexible and easy-to-use platform for executing two critical types of labor studies: work sampling and direct observation. Studia's work sampling features give you the ability to build comprehensive activity breakouts that track how your team members allocate time between things like core work tasks, customer service, colleague interaction, travel time, and idle time, among others. Generate labor standards for hard-to-measure fluid tasks like serving customers, straightening up inventory, or colleague interaction. And calculate personal fatigue and delay data that reflects real-world productivity levels. Meanwhile, Studia's direct observation features give you the ability to build and execute studies of the day in the life of your team members, to track the normal activities of your associates and managers, better define roles, eliminate non-value-added tasks, and identify process improvement opportunities. Customer experience studies to better understand how customers shop, when they engage employees in your stores, and how they move from department to department or floor to floor. Or drill deeper with custom studies that let you analyze a variety of other metrics, like average customer queue lengths or wait times, checkout utilization rate, the frequency of stockouts, fitting room usage, and much, much more. All of this is made possible by Studia's flexible mobile interface that works with both Android and iOS and lets you pause and resume studies at a moment's notice, or aggregate data collected from multiple locations for robust chain-wide analysis. Studia is the perfect complement to Opus, Axiom's labor model management solution trusted by some of the world's largest organizations across retail and hospitality. And when you use Studia, you'll never have to go it alone. With support and advice from Axiom's team of workforce management and labor productivity experts, help is always there when you need it. To learn more about how Studia can increase your understanding of key customer and employee metrics, visit us online at axiomgroup.com/studia today.